Hello everybody! This is the second part of the day actually. Earlier today I went to the Gotokuji temple in Saragaya. It's a temple with the cats. I went there and after that I met a friend and we went to Shibuya. I actually wanted to have dinner, but I saw people with like bags that look like lucky bags. And I'm like, what? Do they still have lucky bags right now? And I wanted to make sure, and I went to Shibuya 109 and I saw that some stores still had lucky bags, and then we just went to Shibuya 109 really shortly, and yeah, I saw lucky bags. Adidas had a lucky bag. It was the last lucky bag, I swear. It was the last one. I asked if this is the last one and they said yes, and it was 21,000 yen, which is quite a lot. But I heard really good things about the Adidas Lucky Bag, and my friend said that her friend got it and there were only like good things. The only thing I'm worried about is the size. I got size M, which is actually my size, but in Japan I sometimes need large. So yeah, I hope it will fit me. If not, I have to sell it. And I didn't want to buy anything else, but then I remembered that I saw Cecil McBee had a lucky bag. I just looked at it and it's so heavy and it's full to the brim, and it contains a coat which they displayed at the store, which actually looked quite nice. It wasn't too cutesy with like, you know, sometimes they have these coats with like the fur arms and stuff. This one looked kind of like a down coat. Say down, I think down coat, but it's not, of course it's not real down, and it's not like shiny down. It looked very subtle. It either comes in black or white, I don't know which one I got, and they still had this left. They had like I think 4 or 5 of these lucky bags left, and this was 10,000 yen, but I think it's really heavy. It's probably like 3 kilograms or something, I don't know. That's how it feels like. So I'm also gonna open that. This is gonna be 2 videos because I think that this bag will have so many things, too many things to put it in only one video together with the Adidas one. So then let's start. This video I will open the Adidas Lucky Bag because yeah, I'm really curious about this one, and I'm not really, I mean, I love sporty outfits as well, but it's not really like my everyday style. But I actually wanted to buy something from Adidas before I went to Germany for like airport, because I prefer wearing sports clothes or comfortable clothes when I'm flying. But I don't have enough, and I also want to start working out this year. I want to go to like dance course, and I could use some of these, I think. So that's what I'm gonna do. So okay, I will do it again the same as last year. I will not look, and I will just pick one. Okay, this is a cappy. I already felt it through. I don't know if I could use it though. This is not really my style. I don't know if I will wear something like this, but yeah, maybe I could sell it. Let's see, or I could give it to someone. Okay, everything is in like plastic bags. I can't feel a lot. Let's pick up this. This feels like a bag or something. Oh yeah, it's a bag. So I got the accessoires first. Oh, eh? It's like a pouch. It's actually cool. Could I fit my... I don't know if I could fit my laptop here, but I was thinking that this would be really nice to put like my electronics, like cables and stuff when I'm traveling, because they're just like lying around in my backpack usually. But I would generally just use this for traveling, not for everyday style. But it's actually quite nice. How much is this? Oh wow, this is 5,000 yen. Why? How much is the cappy? The cappy is 3,500. Okay, let's pick the next one. Oh, I got two things. So, what is this? Shorts? I really hope they fit me. Oh, they're like leggings. Oh, it's nice. Oh my god, but I really hope they fit me. From the legs, it looks nice. It looks like it would fit me. And at the back, they have the Adidas logo. I really like this. It's really simple. And yeah, I'm sure I can use this. They are a little bit tight, to be honest, but it's not too bad. They're really stretchy. And I feel like if you want to do yoga or something, these would be really nice. But yeah, if it was L, I think it would be better. But I think it looks okay, actually. I'm surprised. It doesn't feel tight, but if I was trying to put them on, I felt like, oh my god, this is not gonna work. But now, after you have them on, it's actually really, it's like a second skin, to be honest. Like, it doesn't hurt anywhere, or it doesn't feel tight anywhere. I think it's supposed to be like that. So yeah, it's really good, really nice. Good job. Good job, Adidas. And this is another bag. Oh. Oh wow. This is really nice. It's like one of these, how do you call them? They have a name. Hipster bags. But they're actually nice if I'm traveling somewhere, or like if I'm going somewhere short and or just as a workout bag. I could use this. This is really nice. I was actually thinking about getting something like this, but I never did because yeah. How much is this? This is 2,990. Okay, next ones. Until now, the only thing I don't like is the cappy. Oh, oh wow! It's a sweater, and it looks. Oh my god, this is cute! It looks so cute! I like it! I don't know. I mean, this is a female sign and this is the A for Adidas. And then here we have a basketball, I think, somewhere. Yeah, basketball. Oh, I like this style. I really like this. I have to admit, this is exactly my style. It's like a little bit crazy, not too much. And there's the little thing at the arm, on the arm. This was, wow, this was 8,000 yen. Oh, this is the sweater and I love it. I really love it. It fits perfectly and it looks really nice when I wear it too. Usually I'm not a big fan of white, but I really love this one. Next one, shorts. Oh, this looks really, really, really tiny. I don't know if I will fit in here. And I'm not sure about the color, if I like it. This was 5,000 yen. And as you can see, they're like super tight. They're like covering my skin completely. For the shorts, I also don't even like them so much, to be honest. And they're too tight. Like, it's too tight. I can't wear these. It's like a tank top. This is more something that I could wear during the day, but this is something where I think it's see-through, so I would have to wear something underneath, I think. What could I wear underneath? I'm really not sure. Like a top or something. This is actually really nice, but I'm not sure how I can wear this. This was 6,500? Are you kidding me? This is like nothing. Who would pay so much money for this? No wonder this didn't sell. I'm not really sure what to think of this. Yeah, I got like a tank top underneath it because, like, I don't know, how do you wear this? Is it like a beach thing? Like, can I wear this on the beach on top of my like swimming clothes? I don't know how this should work. Like, this really confuses me, and what really confuses me is the price. It's like so thin, it's see-through, I think. I haven't tried it, but I think it's see-through and it doesn't really cover anything. So I'm really confused what this is. If someone knows how I can wear this, please tell me, because I have no clue what this is. And it's really not flattering at all. Like, I don't know what to do with this. And the last one. Oh my god, it's already over? Oh, this is actually really nice. Oh wow. And it's like wool at the back. This one, I really like this one. I think this one and the white sweater are my favorite. This is 11,000. So this is 11,000 and this was how much? Yeah, 8,000. So both of these are almost 20,000. Only these both. Okay, so this is the jacket and it's really nice. It's super comfortable and this is my shirt, of course. I just wore it. The sizing is really nice. It's not too tight, it's not too loose, and you can just zip it up and feel warm. And I really like the back part because it's made of wool, and it has pockets, and it's in red. It's like my favorite color, if you don't know. And you can also just wear it open, which I prefer. And yeah, this is really nice. It's really, really nice. So all in all, these three articles are my favorites. The red jacket, the white sweater. This one just fits perfectly. And it could be considered too tight. Some people might consider it too tight, but I actually like it, especially if you pair it with something wider at the top. The two bags are okay. These are some things I would not have bought, but I can always find a usage for bags. I'm like a crazy bag lady, you know, there's like a crazy cat lady or like shoe addicts. For me, it's with bags. I can always use bags. I think I've never bought a bag which I didn't use. And my sister always used to give me her old bags and I would always use them. So these are definitely some things, especially pouch kind of bags. I will always use them. I guess I will keep this in my backpack, and I can put, like, when I travel, I'm gonna put all my electronic things in here, like battery, camera, or external, and my cables from my MacBook. My MacBook will not fit in here. This could be a nice, like, pouch for, I think, an iPad or something as well, which I don't have. Or you could just put a lot of things, I think even like makeup or shampoos if you want to. Like you could, or you could put flip-flops in here, because I always take my flip-flops when I stay in hostels, because I don't trust the showers, and I always put my flip-flops in like plastic bags. But this one would be a nice flip-flop pouch. And this one is something that if I go to work out, I will take this bag with me to put like my water bottle and shoes and everything in there. So these are some things. These are 5 things I can use out of 8. These 3 things I cannot use. I'm like a hat person, but I'm not really I'm not sure. Actually, it's not too bad. But is that how you wear it? Like, how do you actually wear this? Is this the correct way to wear it? Like, I don't even wear cappies so much. I have a cappy, or I think I have one. Like, when I look at this right now, like this, it doesn't look too bad, but it's... These kind of cappies are not really my style. I like hats and everything, but this is just... I don't know. I mean, I listen to hip-hop and everything, but this is not my style. Seriously, I just feel like a fake person with this. And this is something I would have never bought, and it doesn't really fit me either. Actually, when I was taking it off, I was so scared that I would have to use the scissors to cut it out of my body. This is just too tight. This is not M. This is not medium. This is like XS. This is definitely not medium. A medium-sized butt is not that tiny. And this, I don't know how to wear this. Maybe on the beach. Maybe I could use it as like beach wear. Maybe I will put this away. I will not give it away, or or sell it. I could use this at the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep this in case I go to the beach or somewhere, and then I'm sure I could wear this on the beach. And all in all, the Adidas Lucky Bag was actually really good, especially for people who are actually working out. But even if you don't work out, like most of the things I have and I liked are things that you can wear daily on like daily life, or if you travel, even at home, which maybe Adidas is a little bit too expensive to wear only at home. And the bags are really nice too. So the Adidas Lucky Bag is maybe a little bit expensive, so if you're not really the sporty type, or if you're not planning to work out, if you're not working out right now and if you're not planning to, then I wouldn't recommend it. But if you're planning to work out, or if you needed these type of clothes anyway, it's worth it, because the things that you'll get are super high quality in my opinion. Like as I said with the leggings, it was like a second skin. I didn't really feel it on my body. And yeah, if you wanna have sporty clothes, if you're into that, the Adidas Lucky Bag is probably one of the best ones you could get. But yeah, I'm so happy that I made it, that I managed to find a Lucky Bag for this year. I thought I missed it, and I'm like, no Lucky Bags for me. I really love it, and I would consider myself lucky because I got all these things that I actually like. But yeah, next year I'm definitely gonna stay here for January 2nd, because I do have to get all the other Lucky Bags. I'm gonna spend so much money, which I already did today. But I don't think I'm gonna get the Adidas Lucky Bag again. It's just because I want to try other Lucky Bags. But it was nice. I don't regret buying the Adidas Lucky Bag. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked my Fukubukuro opening, I hope you guys also had a nice first week of the new year. For me it was very different, but I would consider myself lucky that I finished this week like that with the temple and the Lucky Bags. And I hope you also had a great day, and if you like this video you can leave a comment of course, but if you liked it you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and also you can check out my Instagram, which I will link everything below. So yeah, thank you for watching, have a nice day, bye, see you next time.